Hello, Twinkle. Hello, Sandy. Are you two playing tag? Looks like you're having great fun. Oh no! Which box is Sandy hiding in? I don't think it's Sandy in there. Do you know what it is? That's right! It's a little pig. Isn't he cute? I don't think that's Sandy either. Do you know what animal makes that sound? That's right! An adorable duck. How nice! Goodness me! That's not Sandy. Do you know what it is? That's right! A big friendly cow. Which means... Do you hear that? Do you recognise that sound? Well done! You found Sandy the seagull. Now it's your turn to hide. Bye, Twinkle. Bye, Sandy.
Look, here's Twinkle flying through the sky. Hello, Mr. Moon. What a beautiful starry night. Oh, Bunny, Kitten and Sandy Seagull are playing catch. Twinkle tells Sandy that playtime's over and it's now time for bed. But Sandy says she isn't tired yet. She wants to carry on playing. Uh-oh, Sandy struggled to catch that ball. She really is tired. She should go to bed. Using her magic stardust, Twinkle floats Sandy to her nest and tucks her in. Good night, Sandy. Cat and Bunny are still playing with the ball. Twinkle tells Cat that it's time for bed. Cat goes to say no, but feels very sleepy and curls up for a rest. Twinkle floats Cat to her bed so she can sleep more comfortably. Good night, Cat. Bunny is bouncing the ball on his head. Look, here's Twinkle. She tells Bunny that it's time for bed. Bunny says he isn't sleepy, but his legs are very tired. He agrees it's probably best for him to go to bed. Twinkle uses her magic stardust to float Bunny to his hammock. They'll all sleep well tonight after having so much fun playing. Good night, Bunny. Good night, Twinkle. Good night, everyone.
Hello, Twinkle. Hello, Moon. Are you two playing together today? Wonderful. Oh, spinning around and around is fun, isn't it? Would you like to try, Twinkle? Nicely done. The moon sneezed and turned purple. Wow! Moon, now you are green. Moon, why are you changing colours? The moon is now orange. I think I know a little something that may be making him sneeze. Yes, it's Twinkle's magical stardust. Could you help the moon get back to normal again?
Achoo.
Oops, that's the colour red. Let's try one more time.
Achoo.
Great work. The moon is back to normal again. Wasn't this game fun? Hello, Twinkle. Are you having a good day? What is that, Twinkle? Careful, you don't want it to fall. Look, Twinkle, they are coloured eggs. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. What's happening, Twinkle? Oh, look, Twinkle. It's a little red bird. Oh, she wants to play. How many eggs do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Oh, look! It's a little blue bird. How many eggs do we have now, Twinkle? 1, 2, 3 eggs. Oh, look! A little yellow bird. How many eggs do we have now? 1, 2 eggs. Oh, look! It's a little green bird. How many eggs do we have now? 1 egg. Oh, look! It's a little purple bird. Oh, no, Twinkle. They've all gone. Are you sad now that you are on your own? Oh, look! They've all come back, Twinkle. Bye, Twinkle. Hello, Twinkle. Is that your bucket of Halloween candy? Are you going to share it with a friend? Oh, look! It's Sandy Seagull. Let's see what candy you both have. Oh, look! You have 2 red lollipops. That's 1 red lollipop for Sandy. And 1 red lollipop for you. Nicely done, Twinkle. Oh, yummy! 2 blue caramels. That's 1 blue caramel for Twinkle. And 1 blue caramel for Sandy. Great job. Wow, that cupcake looks tasty. Twinkle, are you sad because there's only 1 cupcake? Could you share it? And give half to your friend? Yes, sharing is as sweet as candy. Goodbye, Sandy. Goodbye, Twinkle.
Hello, Twinkle. Would you like to play in the snow? You can build a snowman. Doesn't that sound fun? And start by making snowballs. You made 3 snowballs, and they're all different sizes. There you go, Twinkle. This snowball is small. This snowball is medium. This snowball is large. Are you wondering how to make a snowman? Try stacking the snowballs one on top of the other. You can put the medium snowball on the large snowball. Nicely done! Where do you think the small snowball goes? Great work! Now you can give the snowman a face. Well done! You gave the snowman a nose. And eyes. And a mouth. Fantastic! You gave the snowman arms. Oh, and a red scarf. Now the snowman is cozy. Merry Christmas, Twinkle. Hello, Twinkle. What a beautiful day it is. Wow! Look at those walls, Twinkle. They are different shapes. There's a square, a triangle, and a circle. Oh, look, Twinkle. That cloud is heading through the wall. I hope it doesn't get stuck. It turned into a square, Twinkle. Oh, look. Here comes another one. I wonder what will happen, Twinkle. Oh, it turned into a triangle. Oh, look. Here comes another one. Let's see what happens to this cloud, Twinkle. It turned into a circle. Oh, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it, Twinkle? What's wrong, Twinkle? Twinkle, do you want to try and see if you can change shape like the cloud? Go on then, Twinkle. You can do it. You turned into a square, so you could fit through. What a brilliant idea, Twinkle. Why don't you try the next wall? You did it again, Twinkle. You turned into a triangle so you could fit through. How clever of you. Only one more wall left. Oh, well done, Twinkle. You turned into a circle so you could fit through just like the cloud did. You are very clever, Twinkle, because you knew what a square, triangle and circle were. You could fit through the walls. Bye, Twinkle. What a fun day it's been.
It's a beautiful sunset as Bunny and his daddy sit fishing by the riverbank. Oh, look! Here's Twinkle. Twinkle is sparkling with magic stardust. Oh, Bunny looks very tired. It must be past his bedtime. Bunny's daddy tells him that it's time for bed and leads him into the house. Bunny's daddy and Twinkle carefully guide Bunny to bed. Bunny gets a little wobbly when he's sleepy. Oh, look, there's Mr. Sun outside. It's time for him to go to sleep too. Twinkle flies outside. She tells the sleepy sun that it's time to go to bed. He's very excited for a good night's rest. Twinkle sprinkles some sleepy stardust over Bunny. The stardust is ticklish, but it helps Bunny drift off to sleep. Twinkle has a blanket of her own. It looks like her and Bunny's daddy has made the blanket into a hammock. Look, there's Mr. Moon outside. Now that Mr. Sun has gone to bed, it's time for Mr. Moon to wake up and light up the night sky. Bunny's daddy gives Bunny a kiss on the cheek and wishes him a good night's sleep. He loves his son so much. Twinkle settles into her hammock and drifts off to sleep. Mr. Moon is happy to be out. He blows gently. The breeze drifts into Bunny's house and lightly rocks Twinkle to sleep. Good night, Bunny. Good night, Twinkle.
Hello, Twinkle. Look, Twinkle, a balloon. That's one balloon, the number 1. What do you have there, Twinkle? Another balloon. Now how many balloons do we have? 1, 2. That's 2 balloons. Another balloon. Let's count them, Twinkle. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 balloons. Look up there, Twinkle. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 balloons. Wow! You blew up another balloon, Twinkle. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 balloons. That's a lot of balloons. Oh dear! Some of the balloons have popped, Twinkle. Oh no! Some of the balloons have floated off, Twinkle. Don't be sad, Twinkle. There's 1 balloon and 1 of you, Twinkle. Goodbye, Twinkle.
It's a beautiful starry night. Bunny is snoozing on a boat under the brilliant sky. Oh look, here's Twinkle. She has unhooked Bunny's boat from its post. They're going for a nighttime adventure down the river. Bunny loves looking up at the pretty stars floating by. Bunny's grabbing the oar. He wants to row. Now Twinkle can gaze up at the stars. It's such a wonderful night. Oh no, there's a big waterfall ahead. Luckily, Twinkle has an idea. Look, she's using some magic. She's going to make Bunny's rowboat fly. Twinkle and Bunny are having so much fun rowing through the sky. Bunny hops to the back so he can get a better look at the pretty glowing stars. Oh dear, all that rowing has made Bunny very tired. Twinkle had a fun adventure, but it's time for little bunnies to go to sleep. Look, they're back at Bunny's home. What a peaceful ride on the river that was. Twinkle gets a blanket and covers Bunny with it so he has a peaceful, warm night's sleep. What a nice friend she is. Good night, Bunny. Good night, Twinkle.